Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005 to 2013, and we'll show you where to find the sunroof fuses, okay, for your car. If you have a sunroof or a panoramic roof like we have on that wagon, we'll show you where to find the fuses. Now, BMW uses 3 different kind of fuse boxes for that generation, so depending on which one you have, it might differ. Always double check with your manual to make sure everything's correct. Now, in the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please hit that subscribe button, okay, for more videos. And if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. So, what do you need to do guys now? Okay, you need to open your glove box. Everything needs to be empty there. Okay, and once you empty it, that's where your fuses are located. Okay, behind that cover here. Let me show you how you remove that cover. Okay, those things need to be turned up. Okay, let me focus a little bit. Yeah, those round things need to be up and you pull it out. Those are the things I'm talking about. They're clips. Now, you have the fuse puller right here, so you just slide it out, and this is your fuse puller. That will be the one that you'll be using to pull the fuses and check them out. In our case, okay, it could be any of the following 2 fuses. Fuse number 5, okay, and fuse number 5 is located on the very top row, okay, right here. This top row, it's the very right fuse. This one over here. Now your amperage again could differ. Now with the little part of the fuse puller, we are going to go ahead, go on top of the fuse. Okay, and pull it out, just like that, to check it out now. Okay, and you can see ours, okay, ours is good here. So, you can find out all the parts and tools guys that we use in the description of the video below. So if you need to get fuses or something, we'll have it on our page where we usually get ours from. Now, the second fuse that could be, it's fuse number 12. Now, you go to the third box. This is 1, 2, 3, the third box. Number 12 is the very, on the top row, the second fuse from left to right. Okay, and you can see we're missing the first fuse. So, in our case, it will be that yellow fuse right here. This is another one for the sunroof. So, as you can see, we have 2 fuses, 5 and 12. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.